2013 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, cruise control, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, passenger airbag on/off switch, child safety locks, fog lamps, electronic stability control, bucket seats, CD player, MP3 player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.